My name is Xee and I'm from St. Paul, Minnesota. What inspired me to design is my art background. I like drawing, painting, and fashion photography. As a fashion photographer, it's hard for me to find my vision in others' clothing, and so I try to express my own creativity through through how I design my clothes, and that's how I got started with designing. And another reason why I was inspired to design is also my mom. She's very supportive of me and give me a lot of support, and she's also my mentor, and that's an advantage to my designing too, because I don't have a lot of skills in it, and so I learned a lot of like sewing and tricks from her. Actually, one of my struggle is being too creative, because it's really hard for me to keep a consistency of what I'm doing, and so I get too carried away with adding too many details or putting too much creativity in it, so it's very hard for me to just keep it consistent. What inspired me to design this collection is the Asian culture, and coming from Hmong culture, I've seen like how our Hmong people do their embroideries and having like different colors, and I'm also inspired by like Asian jewelries too, and so having a lot of designs, and so I want to emphasize that on my clothing. For this collection, it's for females, and I think it's more for the younger age, because I'm designing a more modern art, but I also have artsy and creativity into my designs, and so it really varies, and it's for everyone that is inspired with expressing their art and their creativity.